Hi kids, it's Mrs. Geiger here. I thought it would be helpful to record videos or practice problems, so here's the matter and energy practice problem set. Choose the correct answer when it comes up through Edpuzzle, or watch the video and write them down, and at the very end, all of the answers will appear. Question 1. The particles in a crystalline solid are arranged 1. Randomly and far apart, 2. Randomly and close together, 3. Regularly and far apart, or 4. Regularly and close together. Question 2. Which phase change is an exothermic process? Choice 1. Carbon dioxide solid goes to carbon dioxide gas. Choice 2. Ammonia gas goes to ammonia liquid. Choice 3. Copper solid goes to copper liquid. Or choice 4. Mercury liquid goes to mercury gas. Question 3. Which statement describes a chemical property of silicon? Choice 1. Silicon is a blue-gray color. Choice 2. Silicon is a brittle solid at 20 degrees Celsius. Choice 3. Silicon melts at 1,414 degrees Celsius. Or choice 4. Silicon reacts with fluorine. Question number 4. At STP, which physical property of aluminum always remains the same from sample to sample? Choice 1, mass. Choice 2, density. Choice 3, length. Or choice 4, volume. Question number 5. Which grouping of the 3 phases of bromine is listed in order from left to right for increasing distance between bromine molecules? Choice 1, gas, liquid, solid. Choice 2, liquid, solid, gas. Choice 3, solid, gas, liquid. Choice 4, solid, liquid, gas. Question number 6. Which substance can be decomposed by chemical means? Choice 1, aluminum. Choice 2, octane. Choice 3, silicon. Choice 4, xenon. Number 7. The graph below represents the relationship between time and temperature as heat is added at a constant rate to a sample of a substance. During interval AB, which energy change occurs for the particles in this sample? Choice 1, the potential energy of the particles increases. Choice 2, the potential energy of the particles decreases. Choice 3, the average kinetic energy of the particles increases. Or choice 4, the average kinetic energy of the particles decreases. Question number 8. The graph below represents the uniform heating of a sample of a substance starting as a solid below its melting point. Which statement describes what happens to the energy of the particles of the sample during time interval DE? 1. Average kinetic energy increases and potential energy remains the same. 2. Average kinetic energy decreases and potential energy remains the same. 3. Average kinetic energy remains the same and potential energy increases. 4. Average kinetic energy remains the same and potential energy decreases. Question 9. Starting as a solid, a sample of a substance is heated at a constant rate. The graph below shows the changes in temperature of this sample. What is the melting point of the sample and the total time required to completely melt the sample after it has reached its melting point? Choice 1, 50 degrees Celsius and 3 minutes. Choice 2, 50 degrees Celsius and 5 minutes. Choice 3, 110 degrees Celsius and 4 minutes. Or choice 4, 110 degrees Celsius and 14 minutes. Question 10. Which physical changes are endothermic? Choice 1, melting and freezing. Choice 2, melting and evaporating. Choice 3, condensation and sublimation. Or choice 4, condensation and deposition. Question 11. When 200 grams of water cools from 50 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, the total amount of heat released by the water is Choice 1, 42 kilojoules. Choice 2, 21 kilojoules. Choice 3, 34 joules. Or choice 4, 17 joules. Notice the difference in the units. Question 12. Which statement describes the transfer of heat energy that occurs when an ice cube is added to an insulated container with 100 milliliters of water at 25 degrees Celsius? Choice 1, both the ice cube and the water lose heat energy. Choice 2, both the ice cube and the water gain heat energy. Choice 3, the ice cube gains heat energy and the water loses heat energy. Or choice 4, the ice cube loses heat energy and the water gains heat energy. Question number 13. What amount of heat is required to completely melt 29.95 gram sample of solid water at 0 degrees Celsius? 334 joules. Choice 2, 2,260 joules. Choice 3, 1 times 10 to the third joules. Or choice 4, 1 times 10 to the fourth joules. Question 14. How much energy is required to vaporize 10.00 grams of water at its boiling point? Choice 1, 2.26 kilojoules. Choice 2, 3.34 kilojoules. Choice 3, 4.2 kilojoules. Or choice 4, 22.6 kilojoules. Question 15. At 1 atmosphere of pressure, the steam-water equilibrium occurs at a temperature of 0 Kelvin, 100 Kelvin, 273 Kelvin, or choice 4, 373 Kelvin. Question 16. Which change of phase is exothermic? Choice 1, H2O solid yields H2O gas. Choice 2, CO2 solid yields CO2 liquid. Choice 3, H2S gas yields H2S liquid. Or choice 4, ammonia liquid yields ammonia gas. Question 17. In which process does a solid change directly into a vapor? Choice 1, condensation. Choice 2, sublimation. Choice 3, deposition. Or choice 4, solidification. Question 18. 2 grams of potassium chloride are completely dissolved in a sample of water in a beaker. This solution is classified as choice 1, an element, choice 2, a compound, choice 3, a homogeneous mixture, or choice 4, a heterogeneous mixture. Question 19. Which formula represents a mixture? Choice 1, C6H12O6 liquid. Choice 2, C6H12O6 solid. Choice 3, lithium chloride aqueous. Or choice 4, lithium chloride solid. Question 20. An aqueous solution of sodium chloride is best classified as A. Choice 1, homogeneous compound. Choice 2, homogeneous mixture. Choice 3, heterogeneous compound. Or choice 4, heterogeneous mixture. Question 21. Which statement is an identifying characteristic of a mixture? Choice 1, a mixture can consist of a single element. Choice 2, a mixture can be separated by physical means. Choice 3, a mixture must have a definite composition by weight. Or choice 4, a mixture must be homogeneous. Question 22. Which change is exothermic? 1, freezing of water. 2, melting of iron. 3, vaporization of ethanol. Or 4, sublimation of iodine. Question 23. Which of the following best describes exothermic chemical reactions? Choice 1, they never release heat. Choice 2, they always release heat. Choice 3, they never occur spontaneously. Choice 4, they always occur spontaneously. Question 24. Which property is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a sample of matter? Choice 1, mass. Choice 2, density. Choice 3, pressure. Choice 4, temperature. Question 25. Which sample of water contains particles having the highest average kinetic energy? Choice 1, 25 milliliters of water at 95 degrees Celsius. Choice 2, 45 milliliters of water at 75 degrees Celsius. Choice 3, 75 milliliters of water at 75 degrees Celsius. Or choice 4, 95 milliliters of water at 25 degrees Celsius. I'm going to show you the answers. Do not look at the answers until you have done all of the problems. Question number 1 is choice 4. Question number 2 is choice 2. Question number 3 is choice 4. Question number 4 is choice 2. Question number 5 is choice 4. Question number 6 is choice 2. Question number 7 is choice 1. Question number 8 is choice 3. Question number 9 is choice 1. And question number 10 is choice 2. 11 is choice 2. 12 is choice 3. 13 is choice 4. 14 is choice 4. 15 is choice 4. 16 is choice 3. 17 is choice 2. 18 is choice 3. 19 is choice 3. 20 is choice 2. 21 is choice 2. 22 is choice 1. 23 is choice 2. 24 is choice 4. 25 is choice 1. And don't forget, when particles get closer together, energy is released. When particles get further apart, energy is absorbed.